Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Cassill. I wanted to show you how to conduct a Google Meet. Lots of you are doing this with teachers now. Some of you will want to do it with your peers, and it's a wonderful way to communicate with anybody during these strange and unusual times on this adventure that we're on together. So here's the three best ways to do, that's the number 3. I don't know if you can tell. The 3 best ways to do a Google Meet, especially thinking about school. So first things first. The first way is to look at your student Gmail, okay? You should be checking your email every day, so look there first. Have you been invited to a Google Meet? I'll show you what it looks like in my inbox. If somebody has started a Google Meet that you have been invited to be a part of and it's just happening now, you'll see an email like this. You can see Mrs. Cassill, happening now. Mrs. Cassill's inviting you to a video meeting. If you open this email, you'll be able to click join the meeting and you'll automatically go there. If you've got a meeting that's going to take place in the future, so here's an invitation for a meeting that is been put on my calendar by another person. So you'll see that it's got a date and a time, and I can say yes, maybe no, if I'm going or not. And it also has a link right here that will take me directly to that Google Meet. So your student Gmail is one of the easiest places to go to look for things that a teacher probably has invited you to do. A cool thing about Google is they simplify all of the ways to fetch their websites and their resources. If you're trying to get to your student Gmail from anywhere and you're like, shoot, I don't have a link to get there, if you type mail.google.com, it'll take you to Gmail, and then you can log in and you can check your email. On your Chromebook, it should take you straight to your mail. The second way is to look at your calendar. You all have busy lives now that are functioning remotely away from the school building. So your calendar is a really useful tool for you in organizing your day and all of the different things that you're going to need to do. So on your student Gmail calendar, again, it's your Google Calendar, you'll have appointments that are listed, and you'll see way down here at the end of the day for me, because, you know, it really is this time of day when I'm filming this video for you all. You'll see that there's an appointment here that I've been invited to, so I can accept this appointment and it'll put it on my calendar. I use my cell phone a lot during the day, during normal life, so I get those alerts on my phone, which is really helpful for me. So you can see there's the link again directly for the meeting. I can say yes that I'm going, and my calendar will remind me to go there, that I need to sit down at my computer, or again, I can use the Google Meet app on my phone, which is really easy, works the same. So that's the second way that you can find out if you've got a Google Meet appointment. Also, just like with mail, you can type in calendar.google.com and it'll take you to your Google Calendar. And the third way is to actually go to Google Meet. So it's a website by itself, and just like the others, you can type in meet.google.com and it will take you to the Google Meet site. It looks like this. They always have some super creative and unusual piece of art over here, so it changes what it looks like. Tells you what time it is, what day it is, because it's a meeting place, and you can either join or start a meeting. So if you want to start a meeting with somebody, you can do this right now, or you can join a meeting that has been scheduled for you, that you've been invited to by somebody else. My pro tips for you. This first screen, when you click join, and I'm recording right now, so I don't know how happy it'll be to have, my camera sort of going and my microphone going, wait, we want to do 2 things at once. My advice for you for getting started with any Google Meet is mute your microphone before you begin. So as your Chromebook loads up, if you're using your smartphone, if you're using a different device, that's fine. But before you join the meeting, right now I'm like in the lobby, okay? You can turn off your microphone. Yeah, you'll see mine says camera failed because, hey, what's up? My face is already being recorded by the camera already in use. So mute your microphone. That makes sure that there's not just this cacophony of sound if a whole bunch of you are in a meeting, okay? And then you just click join now. Same thing if you make your own meeting. You can be by yourself in a meeting and it's just your face on the screen with the microphone. So you can see that if your camera is turned off or not in use, it just puts your little username avatar in the middle of the screen. And then, you can turn on your microphone and be talking, and it'll make you audible to the other people on the call. It's like a phone call is how they treat it. So there's a little hang up symbol, and when you're done, you hang up. You can rejoin that meeting. You can return back to that home screen where you have the option of making a meeting. So that's the basics for how to do. We'll look at more ways to do this and use this later as we go through this adventure together. But otherwise, I hope that helps everybody get connected. So good luck. Keep learning.